Yo, welcome back. Let's quickly look into a quick Rumble tutorial. Let's talk about these two guys. We're going to be talking about these two confusing views right here. There's raw views and unique views. So what's the difference between raw views and unique views? Before you start jubilating and celebrating that you have 1,000 views, or start complaining that you got 1,000 views and you're paid nothing or you're paid puppies, very few cents. Now, raw views are the number of times this video was watched. I just want to make it very clear. This is the number of times this video was watched. And unique views, this is what you should be concerned about, not this. The unique views is what you're supposed to be concerned about, and forget about the raw views. The raw views is cool. It's letting you know that people love to watch your video. They watch it over and over again. Probably they were busy or distracted by something and they had to come back to it again to go watch the video completely. So it's kind of like good that yes, once they watch a video, they didn't finish, they come back and watch it again or in any which way. Now, unique views is what we should be looking for. And this is what Rumble pays you for. So the unique views, when you see 6 or 10,000, 20 million unique views, or depending on the number of unique views, that is the number of unique humans that watched it. So when you see like 6 or 100 or 200 unique views, that is to say 100 people watched a video compared to 1 million. Let's say for example somebody watched, yeah, the views, this video got 100,000 raw views. That is, you had 100,000 raw views. It's not 100,000 people that watched it. This kind of like gives you more insight compared to other platforms like YouTube. Yeah. So when you see like 1 million views on YouTube, one person might have watched it like 1,000 times. So it's not really unique. So that they're helping you to differentiate both. Now, they might not pay you for raw views, they might and only pay you for unique views. And this is because they don't want to serve ads to one person over and over again. They might not be interested in it or get people tired or complaining about seeing ads in your video when they've seen it the first time. So they feel like, let's just serve these people just one time ad and not repeating it again. They might show the person or the viewer this ad one more time in a different day or after some days they come watch your video again, but over and over again they might likely not show ads to the same person. So that is why you have loads of raw views, you get less pay compared to if you have more unique views, like thousands of unique views, then you can get more pay. I hope this helped you. I hope this makes sense. Please leave me in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.